So I'm gonna do this thing with the FDI characters, Fire and Fire Junior as children playing together. Let's see, me and Jimmy. Okay, we're at the beach. Let's get something more romantic. Let's see if we can find romance in a story. That doesn't. This looks like action. DP and Jimmy decide to go camping. Jimmy reads the map upside down and they both become terribly lost. Switch the names of
the cost depends on the finishes. The cost depends on the ultimate use of the building. We'll add another $100 million to cover the cost of our luxurious interior.
Okay.
So, final price tag?
We end up traveling each other. And okay,
can we get a 2,000-year insurance policy?
Let's see what we do. Let's hope this ain't romance. What? Where's no? No. Jimmy has amnesia and forgets everything about. Oh no. What? I'm a member of the royal family, and my boyfriend's a lowly peasant.
What?
Okay.
People need to love it, use it,
X.
and take care of it. That's how you become an architectural icon.
Okay. That sounds about accurate, because we know we all hate X. I'd love to assassinate him.
Creative human endeavor.
Let's see what X and 4 do. Okay. 4 loses a bet to X.
Of this architecture speak to
And 4.
durability, but also democracy.
X and 4 got handcuffed together and lost the key.
This building will stand for a long time, and it is supported by the people. Though we don't know if our pantheon will stand for 2,000 years, we'll always need a place
Okay, let's see you and 4.
and share ideas.
Oh.
The pantheon dream
4 works at your favorite coffee shop.
under one roof, united in the belief of what great things we can accomplish if we build it today.
Oh. Okay.
The ancient Romans ruled their empire for nearly 1,000 years. They were known for their brutal
I'm
regimes,
too nervous to approach you, and I only admire you from afar.
and their bold
Okay.
engineering solutions. And
Let's
they
see what
proved
it says
with the
about,
construction of their massive Colosseum in the year 80 AD.
my boyfriend.
Colosseum is essentially
Jimmy gives 4 a piggyback ride, okay.